Hello, little boy. How are you?
I'm fine. Dear fairy,
What are you doing?
I'm watering the plants.
That is very good. Water helps plants to grow. And plants are very important for us and this world.
Yes, my friends and birds, rabbits, butterflies all love trees, plants, flowers, and grass. Here comes a butterfly, wow.
Yes, I love butterflies. Where are you going?
Wait a minute.
Hello, butterfly. Do you like plants?
Dear fairy, I love plants, flowers, and little cute children. We love to play in flowers with our friends.
Where is second butterfly? Let me call my friends. Hello, blue butterfly, come here. Hello, rabbit, come here, sweetie. Hey, little bird, come on.
Assalamualaikum. I am here, friends.
Wa alaikum assalam. Blue butterfly.
Rabbit is here. Hey, hey.
Hello, little bird. How are you?
I am fine, my friend.
Okay, everyone is here. So tell me, do you love flowers, plants, and trees?
Yes,
Yes.
Yes.
We all love plants and nature.
Now you will tell all your friends to love plants and grow more and more. Trees, plants, and flowers.
we will.
Oh, it started raining. Yeah, Yahoo. Let's go to our homes. Run.
Yes, we are going.
Okay, we all are going. Bye-bye, little boy.
Bye-bye. Dear fairy. I am also going.